Hey, good morning everybody, and happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
We've got a full day planned today. We are heading off of Motorboater and through some mangroves out to a place here called the Washing Machine, which is a really cool spot. We're going to get some drone footage out there. We're going to do a little snorkeling. We're going to get a lot of very cool videos. Yesterday we saw a blacktip shark out there. Probably 15 or so turtles, you think?
Oh yeah, there was a ton of turtles.
Yeah, a lot of turtles, a couple of stingrays, met a lot of really cool people. So we're glad to have you along with this adventure. We're going to have a good time today. We'll
check in along the way.
We'll be back with you soon.
All right, there goes Motorboater. We're heading out on our adventure for the day. We'll see you later. So here we are, we just entered the mangroves. This is kind of the little, I call it a canal, area where you kind of go through and you can see all the mangrove vegetation, which is really cool, along the side, and the water is just so beautiful. You have to be careful here because from the current of the water going in and out of here, it's put up sandbanks in here, so you have to almost zigzag across through the deep little channels. Otherwise you run aground right in the middle of it on sandbars. So you got to go from left to right depending on how deep it is. So
you can almost see there's a sandbar right there in front of us. So I'm going to try to go across the channel over here to where I know it's deeper and go around that sandbar. This is a higher tide than usual. Yesterday we came through and it was quite a bit lower, so we hit the prop a couple of times in the sand, which doesn't do any damage, but this isn't real good for for your equipment. So today it's a little bit higher. It should be a slightly easier ride through.
yeah, we came in at high tide, which is nice. We just got to make sure we get out of here right before low tide, otherwise we're stuck.
Yeah, you can get stuck in here.
Yes, you can.
We had to drag our boat through a couple of times yesterday.
Kraken, get you! He's excited. He knows where we're going. He's ready to go play on the beach.
Okay, we made it out to the washing machine, and this gives you a good idea of what it's like here when the current is coming in and out. It's a very, very cool spot right at the end of these mangroves. When the current is coming out, boy, it just shoots you out to sea, and then there's a sandbar outside that it drops you off on and you walk right back in. So it looks scary, but it's really a very cool spot. And then in the afternoon, the current will run the opposite direction and load water back into the mangrove area. What's going on, baby?
I don't know where his toy went. So
Oh,
we'll have to find another one.
I'm sure he's got one somewhere around here. This is not a bad way to spend Easter Sunday. You think?
Oh, no, not at all.
You can't swim out there today. It's too far.
Here's his dog toy.
Oh, she's got it up there, baby.
Okay.
All right, so every once in a while in the Caribbean, you have to deal with a squall that comes through, which is a little rainstorm. Quit We have one right now, so Brandy and I are hiding under the bimini on our dinghy to get out of the really cold rain. But a lot of people, as you can see, are still out in the water having a good time. A little rain doesn't stop people here from running around the beach and having a good time. So we're gonna sit here and sit it out a little bit.
Yep.
It's Easter, so we're not stopping.
No.
Definitely not.
It'll go away soon.
Yeah. So you can kind of see everybody sitting out on the beach, still having fun. Beach here. A lot of people are hanging out in the water right now. So still pretty beautiful. There's Kraken. He's running around playing with everybody. I want to do a quick shout out to Brandy's bikini top.
Oh.
It is Easter, and I don't know if you've been saving that one.
I did.
Brandy's been saving this one for Easter. So it's beautiful
Perfect
bikini
color.
top. Yep, for an Easter Sunday. There's a lot of storms out to sea right now, as you can see out there, but they don't seem to be affecting us very much. Although a couple of people are leaving, but still beautiful here, and we have no plans of leaving.
Nope, the sun's
For-
gonna pop back out
for
probably
sure.
in about 10 minutes, and
Yep.
we're gonna have sun the rest of the afternoon.
It's going to be beautiful, and who knows, maybe Brandy and I will get in the washing machine and go for a swim there.
Take Kraken with us.
Take the Kraken, yes.
Like all over you.
Okay, thank you.
And your beard's coming in gray.
My beard is coming in gray. I have sand all over me. Brandy doesn't want me to be shooting a video right now.
No.
We are still here at the washing machine in Stroud.
Shroud. Yes.
Okay.
Look at Kraken, he's pouting.
Kraken is pouting on the beach because he knows it's. Did you just burp? I'm pretty certain Kraken just did a man burp. Anyways, it is beautiful here right now because literally everybody has left.
Which
And
we love.
Brandy and I have the entire washing machine here at Shroud, okay, completely to ourselves. There's our umbrella up there with our chairs. On the other side of this coral reef, there is our boat on the beach, which is all by itself. And Brandy and I are sitting here in the water,
Just
relaxing with not another soul in sight. So, what an Easter. Yeah.
I'm good.
Really cool spot. You could probably see it from here, but the current is still coming out at a pretty rapid race. I took some drone footage, which I'll work into this video if I haven't already, and you could really see the current and you know the kind of place that we're in right now. But it's really a amazing spot. So great place to spend Easter. We are working our way from the Exuma Islands over to Nassau, and then across to the Berry Islands just for one night.
Yeah.
And then we're going to do 130 nautical miles
Yeah.
from the Berry Islands over to the U.S. coast and Fort Lauderdale, most likely Fort Lauderdale, but sometimes the current makes us go someplace else, so I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, so anyways, we should be back in the U.S. Within a week. Cheers, everybody. Randy and I are venturing out into the washing machine now. I don't know what Kraken's gonna do behind us, if he's gonna come with us or not, but we're gonna swim out into the middle of the channel here.
And float away.
Let it float off. So here we go.